Have you ever wondered why animals seem to follow invisible schedules? Birds migrating thousands of miles at the perfect time, turtles returning to the exact same beach every year, and tiny insects waking up exactly when the flowers they need start blooming. It's almost like nature handed them a secret calendar, a GPS, and a supercomputer all at once. But how do animals know when to move, sleep, breed, hunt, or even disappear for months at a time? Today, we're uncovering the hidden patterns that guide the animal kingdom. Once you see them, you'll never look at the world the same way again. Welcome to Untamed Vibes, and today we're diving into the secret patterns animals follow, from migration highways and magnetic navigation to internal clocks, lunar rhythms, and environmental signals. And yes, some animals are more punctual than your morning alarm. Which, let's be honest, most of us snooze like 10 times anyway. I know you can relate. Buckle up. Nature's timing system is way more advanced than anything humans have ever invented. Number 1. The Great Migration Highways. Migration isn't random. Animals follow precise routes, almost like GPS navigation without the recalculating voice. Birds, the Arctic tern travels over 40,000 miles annually from the Arctic to Antarctica and back. They navigate using sun position, temperature cues, Earth's magnetic field, and star patterns. Meanwhile, most of us can't even find a kitchen in the dark. Whales? Humpback whales travel thousands of miles using low-frequency sound waves. It's like underwater Wi-Fi that actually works. Even tiny plankton follow vertical migration patterns every day, feeding whole ocean ecosystems. Nature's timing truly scales from microscopic to massive. If you are enjoying this video so far, consider subscribing. It will really help me out. Thanks. Okay, back to the video.
Number 2. Animals and Earth's compass. Some animals sense Earth's magnetic field. Sea turtles. Hatchlings disappear for years, then return to their exact birth beach. They have magnetic particles in their brains, built-in GPS, without ads. Isn't that so crazy? Bats use sunset to reset their internal compass every evening. Imagine rebooting yourself every night like a glitchy laptop. Now imagine it working flawlessly. Nobody taught them this. Nature just said, "Here, take this ability. Don't ask questions." Okay, up next. Number 3. Nature's internal clocks. Animals follow circadian rhythms, 24-hour cycles controlling sleep, energy, and activity. Owls activate at night. Vision sharpens, hearing heightens, energy peaks. Humans, we stumble around like groggy raccoons. Deer grow and shed antlers like clockwork, even in controlled environments. Timing is deeply built into their biology. Honeybees and frogs follow solar positions or rainfall cycles, showing that timing isn't just for big animals, it's universal. Imagine having this ability. I'd never be late again. Probably. Okay. Number 4. Moon influence. Many animals synchronize with lunar cycles. Crabs migrate only during full moons when tides are highest, a literal crab festival. Coral reefs release eggs and sperm on specific moon phases, creating synchronized underwater flash mobs. Even brainless jellyfish respond to moonlight, showing that lunar patterns are deeply wired in nature. Number 5. Weather and supersenses. Animals can detect environmental changes humans can't. Elephants sense storms from hundreds of miles away through ground vibrations. Butterflies navigate based on temperature, sun angle, wind, and flower blooms, essentially long-term weather forecasts. Other examples? Fish sense oxygen changes. Birds anticipate rain. Wolves track prey using vibrations and scent. Nature has its own early warning systems, built-in and highly accurate.
Number 6. Invisible cycles and ecosystems. Animal patterns keep ecosystems balanced.
Wolves returning to Yellowstone shaped rivers and vegetation. Beavers build dams, creating forests. Birds spreading seeds across continents. Every move is timed perfectly. Remove one species and the balance shifts. Animals navigate by stars, magnetism, and instinct. I navigate by panicking and guessing. Oh man. Number 7. Fun animal patterns. Quick, surprising patterns. Penguins bow to partners at the same time every morning. Well, that's so cute. Ants take power naps every 30 seconds. Well, that's really fast. Squirrels bury nuts in complex patterns to avoid theft. I would do that too if I'm a squirrel, to be honest. Jellyfish follow the moon with no brain. Parrots schedule social time like tiny feathery extroverts. Meanwhile, me being happy if a plan is canceled. Fireflies flash in unison like LEDs. Flashy. Sea lions sync births with tides. Crickets chirp at precise rhythms. Yep, even insects have better musical timing than I do. Frogs call only at certain temperatures. Monarch butterflies follow wind and sun cues perfectly. Even the weirdest behaviors are guided by timing and patterns. Just like humans, who goes to the kitchen at 3 a.m. cooking whatever's left in the fridge. Why do we always get hungry at those times? Animals don't just survive, they follow ancient rhythms that guide migration, reproduction, feeding, and entire ecosystems. The more we observe, the more we see how interconnected life is. Now, before we wrap up, here's something even more fascinating. What happens when animals break their natural patterns? Because yes, believe it or not, sometimes nature's timing system goes a little off script. Let's start with birds. Many species migrate exactly on schedule every year. Same week, same direction, same destination. But in recent decades, some birds have started leaving earlier than usual. Why? Temperatures are shifting, seasons are changing, and the signals they rely on are getting mixed. It's like nature itself hit the shuffle button. And when birds show up early, the entire ecosystem reacts. Flowers might not be ready, food might not be available. It's like showing up to a party 2 hours early while the host is still vacuuming. Sea turtles are facing something similar. These animals rely on moonlight and magnetic fields to return to their birth beaches. But guess what also shines brightly at night? City lights. So baby turtles get confused and look around and go, giant glowing city? That must be the ocean. And suddenly they're crawling toward hotels instead of waves. Whales, too, are struggling with pattern interference. Their migration routes rely on sound, but today, the ocean is full of noise. Ships, sonar, construction. Imagine trying to follow a playlist while someone blasts static in your headphones. Not exactly smooth traveling. And here's the bigger picture. When animals change their timing, just slightly, it can ripple across entire ecosystems. Pollinators missing flowers, predators missing prey, plants missing pollinators. Nature's rhythm is interconnected like a huge orchestra. If one section falls out of sync, the entire song changes. But here's the hopeful part. Scientists around the world are studying these shifts, tagging animals, tracking migrations, restoring habitats, and working to keep nature's patterns alive. And every discovery teaches us how incredible and fragile these rhythms really are. It's a reminder that animals aren't just surviving by luck. They're following ancient instructions written into their bodies, their instincts, and the world around them. And even when those patterns change, animals adapt with creativity, resilience, and a little bit of wild brilliance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Which animal pattern amazed you most? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay curious, stay wild, and stay untamed.